Hey guys, Rock here. It's November 28th. We don't have a ton of snow, but I get this sled. We're going to do a little test drive and try her out. It's a 2002 Polaris Super Sport 550, fan cooled. It's in real good shape for the year, actually. You can tell somebody took care of it. I think it's only got 1,900 miles on it. Pull start, just pull start, no electric on this one. It does have a mechanical reverse, just pull the lever. Somebody installed a brand new track. Got some real deep lugs on there. And some extra wide skis. So this is ready to go through some snow if we ever get some. Yeah. But it does run great. I'll show you. I've had it running already, so I don't need to choke it or anything. Probably just one pull. That's it. Put the hood up on her. Good old 550 fan cooled. Yeah, alright, well, anyways, let's take it for a ride and see what it does. Alright, let's hop on this thing. Try her out. So as I mentioned, it starts so easy when it's warmed up. When it's cold, 2 to 3 pulls depending on how cold it is. But, it's actually pretty snappy on the low end. This is the first time I've drove one of these 550 fan cooled sleds. Yeah, definitely don't have the snow yet. Supposed to get a little more this week, so should be riding on time this year, I would say. But one thing about these 550 or any fan cooled engine, you can ride these things pretty much anytime. As far as engine wise, you don't have to worry about them staying cool. The fan does a good job of that. That's the only problem here. But yeah, we're not going to go too far. It is pretty rough. Well, guess we're gonna have to come up here with a chainsaw and cut that out. But well, we'll use our reverse here. Probably should have backed down the whole thing. There we go. Well, we'll stay out in the field for now and pray for more snow. See what I can get. I have no idea on top speed. I'll take a look at the road, see if we get enough snow coverage to actually do a top speed run up there, but I don't want to wear it. This thing's got brand new carbides on it. I'm already bouncing off the rocks enough here. But for as rough as the trail is, and this being an older sled, it's an 02, but it is, yeah, it's the Edge chassis. It actually seems like it rides pretty nice. she can do it, yes. About 50 miles an hour right there. Not bad for a 550 fan cooled machine, but yeah, a little too much dirt on the road. We'll just play around out here a little bit. About 50 miles an hour right there. But it's gonna be a short video. Like I said, we don't have a lot of snow right now, but that's that sled. Not a bad looking sled either. So, kind of like the red trailing arm skis. But well, just a short little video of that thing, and hopefully we get some more snow. We can do some more snowmobile test drive videos. Thanks for watching, guys.